Welcome to ClearTask. If you've ever typed 3 dashes in Microsoft Word and hit enter, you've probably created a stubborn horizontal line that simply refuses to be deleted. You can't select it, and hitting backspace just pushes it around the page. That happens because Word automatically converts those dashes into a paragraph border, rather than a normal shape. To remove it, we just need to clear that formatting. Place your text cursor immediately above the horizontal line. If you have text there, just click at the very end of that paragraph. Navigate up to the Home tab in the top ribbon menu. Look for the paragraph section and find the borders icon. It looks like a small square window pane. Click the small drop-down arrow right next to that borders icon. From the menu that appears, simply click on No Border. The horizontal line will instantly disappear. If the line is still there, it might be attached to the text below it instead. Just place your cursor in the paragraph immediately below the line, open the borders drop-down, and select No Border again. That is the quickest way to fix this frustrating word formatting issue. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials.